For fight scenes or for certain rotating shots, the ability to rotate your character in Mario 64 is really useful. So how do you do it? Well, as a preamble, for this you need a decent grasp of how to edit textures in Mario 64. We have a tutorial on that too though. And you need a Mario 64 Movie Maker version with the animation swap control feature. What you do is that you find yourself a tree, any tree. Then you turn the area around it into a chroma key set and replace the tree with a fully transparent 32 x 64 pixels texture. This is important since Mario 64 only accepts textures in these specific sizes. Now all you do is jump on the tree, replace the in-tree question mark animation with any animation you like, and then rotate in the tree by pressing your control stick left or right. And it's spinning! Check out our Discord if you need help with Mario Machinima or would like to share your work with us. Thanks for watching!